So first of all, you need to tap on the Gmail app icon, which is this one here. So we tap on that. And first of all, we're going to look at sending an email. So if we're sending a new email, what we do is we just look for this compose, we tap on that, and then you'll notice straight away from is put our email address in there, and then we start typing in who we're sending it to. So if you just type in their email address, and then you can just tap add recipient and it puts it in, and you can add another email address if you wanted to send it to multiple people. If just the one, then you just tap on the subject and it'll move to the subject line. So you just start typing, that subject will disappear. So we could just put hello, nice and simple. And then to compose, just tap where it says compose email and then just write your email message out. So how are you? And then when you're ready to send, this is a little paper aeroplane in blue, just tap that. And there you go, you can see at the bottom it says sent. And we know that email has been sent. You'll notice in the inbox as well that your emails here, anything that's in bold will be emails you haven't opened, and the ones that are not in bold are the ones that you have opened before. So this one at the top. So to open an email, to read it, just tap on it, and then you can read through the email just by scrolling up and down using your phone's touchscreen. And if you wanted to delete it, you just tap on the little bit on there, and that will put it in your trash. If you just wanted to read it but you didn't want to delete it, you wanted to go back, just tap the back arrow and you go back to your main inbox. Okay, now we're going to look at sending an email with an attachment. So it's the same thing, tap compose, and then straight away you're in the two, so you can just start typing. Now if you notice here, because we sent an email, the last email went to David, so that email address, and so it recognizes that we've used that one before. So as soon as you start typing, it comes up as a suggestion, then you can just tap it and it'll save you typing out the whole email again. And then you can type in subject, and you can maybe pictures, and compose email, just write your message in, and then once we've done that, you tap on the little paperclip icon and then just tap attach file. This will bring up your main file, and then if you've got pictures to send, usually be in your gallery, so you tap on the gallery and then it'll bring a selection of your pictures. So if you just got the one, just tap on that one and then tap done. But if you've got multiple, tap on a few, just go through and select them. Usually you get about 20 megabytes that you can, of file size that you can send on an attachment, which usually is roughly between 4 and 5 photos of normal quality. And once you've done selecting the pictures, tap done, and there you go, you'll see the pictures have been added. And then if you're ready to send, just tap the paper airplane and you'll see down at the bottom it says send. So now we're going to look at replying to an email. So the email was sent to David before asking how he was. He's replied, so that will come up on the inbox. To refresh your inbox, just in case you think an email should have come through but it hasn't, if you just pull down on the screen and then let go, it will do an update and any new emails will come through then. But this one we're going to reply, so we're going to see what David said. So we tap on it to open it. So there we go, so he's doing well. So we're ready to reply. So here you see this little arrow going back, we just tap on that, and then again from is you, and it already puts the 2 because it knows we're replying, so it goes straight to his email. And then it's got a re on it, which means short for reply, and hello, so the subject's there. So write a quick reply. There we go. Once we completed it, it's just as before, little paper aeroplane, tap on that, and it's sent, and we can see there, it's sent. Perfect. On that one here, if you want to reply or you want another option, you've got the 3 dots. Anywhere with the 3 dots or 3 lines always means there's another option menu, so we'll tap on that. Now the reply all, that's if there's multiple people in a conversation, so you reply to all, it replied to everyone on that email list. Forward, if you wanted to then send that email on to someone else, if you tap the forward on this bit, then it's got that email in, but you put to who you're going to forward that to. Once you type that in, you just tap on the paper aeroplane again and it will forward that email on to someone else. And then to come back out of that email, just tap the back arrow and that takes you straight back into your inbox. And that is how to send an email, with an attachment, how to reply to an email, and basic looking at your inbox. Now once you've finished with Gmail, usually your home button on here on Android phone, there's usually a little circle or square at the bottom of the screen, so we just tap that. That takes you back out into your main screen, and that's it.